Next one, I want to rank in the Google Maps pack for a high volume service plus state keyword. Really? Service plus state keyword? I mean, I'm sure there are some, but yeah, typically keywords, the higher search volume, much higher search volume is going to be keyword plus city. You'll see that keyword plus county or keyword plus state is very typically has significantly less search volume, and it's much harder to optimize for those, in my opinion, because it's so broad. Anyways, when your business is located in only one city within that state, can you optimize your GBP for that service plus state plus brand and expect to rank in the map pack for every city in that state? Is that possible or just crazy? No, it's not possible. I mean, it's not crazy. I can understand the desire and wanting and asking the question. It's a fair question, but can you do that? No. Google business profiles are hyper local, guys. It is now. Anybody that's been doing this for long, you guys know that you used to be able to rank a Google business profile in maps across a huge area. And over the last 2.5 or 3 years, Google continually narrows it. It's like searches are going more and more hyper local. And so that's why I said earlier in the earlier question when I talk about trying to expand the maps coverage area from where the Google business profile is physically located. You start there. You always start there. Where is the GBP physically located? Start there and start pushing out the map coverage area as far as possible from that center point where it's registered. And then you'll find at some point you're going to find where it doesn't want to rank in maps anymore in the top 3, I mean. And again, you can do things to push it beyond that. But once you get to a point where you put in a lot of effort in and you get only tiny marginal gains or no gains at all, that's where after doing 2 or 3 months in a row of consistent effort and not really achieving any more expansion, that's when I say, okay, we found it. We found the kind of invisible barrier. It's time to move on. Now you can rank organically statewide, but you're not going to rank in maps beyond what Google has determined is the appropriate ranking area for a Google business profile in that industry, depending on where it is physically located. Because again, there's a number of variables that determine how, if you're in a rural area, then you can get huge coverage. If you're in a very densely populated area, it's going to be a hell of a lot more narrow. And it also, again, relates that part of it is how many other companies are there in the same area. The more companies, the less coverage area you're going to get, if that makes sense. Okay, moving on.